you recording?
Yeah.
Why?
Filming the crossing and stuff, 2050
no, we can't.
on Friday the 20th.
How come you recording?
What was you going to do?
Jump over.
Can't do that, because it can cause trouble.
What are you filming?
Just do level crossing and stuff for YouTube and stuff.
It's a massive phone, what's
7+. Yeah. No, don't. It's coming. It'll run you over if you do that.
There's train tracks. Trains can go that fast, can't they? Suck you in.
Well, this is only going slow, but if you were caught on camera jumping the barriers and recorded, and they'd send you into the police, Joe Thorpe, look, just don't ever jump the barriers. 153363 into Knottingley.
Did you get us in video?
Yeah, bro.
What? Wait, we all need getting it, Michael. Wait, singing gob already. What's not waiting?
It's gonna go.
Do YouTube or something?
Yeah.
What do you do on YouTube?
This sort of thing, but with lots of other level crossings and stuff.
Don't put us out a video.
Pardon?
Don't put us out a video.
No, I won't. But just don't.
What's your name?
Joe Thorpe.
Have you got Facebook?
Joe Thorpe.
Yeah.
Add it, and then like.